I just want to say, for anybody considering purchasing an Arrow storage product, don't. I mean, do you see all these screws? You see them all? You got to set your drill on like one to get them in. You'll have to do most of them by hand. And then you got to lean over the top. It's an absolute nightmare to put together. Took way too long. Way too long. You're never going to do this in one day, even with two people. No way. If you've done that in two, you must have got one that's like perfect from the factory. And yeah, there's nothing lines up quite right. You got to jank with it. But I mean, I guess it's okay. Don't lean on the walls. You're going to fall through them and be like trying to get out of a barbed wire fence or something. A good wind, yeah. No good. Not good.